If you do the right things in a right way, you will get whatever you desire in your life. As a human beings, we have certain goals, plans, and actions to be followed in order to achieve success in our life. But sometimes we try to postpone our decisions, plans, actions. Such as we can take an example of a child who has given an assignment to work upon. Rather than working on an assignment, he is busy chatting with his friend, playing video game. What the child exactly doing? The child is procrastinating. So today I will be discussing about procrastinating and the mechanism, that is the reason why people procrastinate. So procrastinating is defined as an act of unnecessarily postponing your decisions, your plans, your actions. Have you ever tried to ask yourself why you procrastinate? Or why you procrastinate if you know that it's very bad for you? We never try to ask these type of questions. Really. We know that we are delaying things, we are postponing things, but we never try to find out the reason behind that things. Why we procrastinate? There is a reason is that we are having lack of motivation. In order to get the things done, we really depend upon our self control, and self control receive all the signals from motivation. Whatever we want to achieve, if we are motivated and if we are getting the environment, suitable environment, people are hardworking and they are giving us a positive signal, they are backing us and we are motivating, so automatically our self control will try to work upon all the goals, actions, and plans. But in some cases, we experience sometimes anxiety and fear of failure. What all are these? These are the demotivating factor. That is the reason behind procrastinating. When we achieve certain demotivating factors, we will start postponing our decisions, our actions, and our plans. That's why we will start procrastinating. They will become an hindrance between our self control and motivation, and because of which we will try avoiding taking decision, try avoiding to work on a particular project rather than wasting our entire day. So we should try to understand that if we continue to procrastinate, it is the largest enemy that can affect our productivity. And if we not try to break this habit, we will not be able to achieve any success, as it will be acting as a derail in completion of our project, our goals, our plans, and which may lead to that we will not able to achieve whatever we want in a life. So we should try to find out the reason about how we intend to act and how in reality we should act upon. We to try to find the reasons why we procrastinate. Goodbye everyone. We will meet in our next video. Bye everyone.